Thank you for all joining us today. We're here today to get some insight into the Oracle Sales Cloud, and these FastCasts were created to quickly show you some native tools to the Oracle Sales Cloud that can help you and your sales teams maximize productivity, increase revenues, and have more insight into your companies. My name is Dan Kudinovich, and I'm a practice director with Apex IT. And today we're going to do a light day in the life of scenario in the Oracle Sales Cloud to help you understand how the Sales Cloud can help you sell more, know more, and grow more. Now, our agenda for today. We're going to briefly introduce you to Apex IT and a little bit about our CRM experience. And also note that this series of FastCasts will have 4 demonstrations, each centered around one of the cloud pillars within the Oracle CX suite. While today we are covering the Sales Cloud, please join us for the Service, Marketing, and Social Cloud FastCasts as well. We'll be talking about the Sales Cloud today, where we'll demonstrate the ability to sell more by utilizing CRM Desktop, know more by leveraging a simplified user interface, and growing more by using the Mobilytics functionality on iPad. These will be presented in a day in the life of scenario, and at the end of today's FastCast, we'll go ahead and take your questions. A little bit about Apex IT. We're an Oracle Platinum partner, and we also participate in something called the CRM Invested Partner Community, which is an invite-only community that gets us access to the best and brightest of Oracle's product strategy and product development teams, and trainings that aren't publicly available. Oracle is investing in us, and we're investing in Oracle, and because of our relationship and our CRM successes, we received the CRM Specialized Partner of the Year at Oracle's Open World in 2012. You can also see at the bottom, we support a variety of other Oracle CRM platforms as well. Now this slide right here is our NASCAR slide, and since 1997, we've had over 1,250 engagements in a variety of different industries with a lot of different CRM experiences. So this leads us to why we think about Oracle Sales Cloud and how it's such a differentiator in the marketplace. Now this slide may look a little bit busy, but let's boil it down simply. Oracle Sales Cloud is an all-encompassing CRM solution that provides a variety of ways to interact with it, that has a variety of functionality all in one cloud and not through other third parties, with integrations to social media, and has flexible deployment options. So without further ado, let's take a peek at the Oracle Sales Cloud. We're going to start out with the CRM Desktop functionality. And this is me as a sales rep in the morning having my cup of coffee, taking a quick glance at my inbox. Now, my inbox here still has that native look and feel of Outlook, but it's got additional Sales Cloud functionality. This helps with user adoption because everything is very intuitive since users already are familiar with Outlook. Now at the top, you'll notice a few extra buttons. If you want to add anything new with the click of a button, I'm empowered to do so. And on the right, I've got the Oracle Social Network plugin here, so I can quickly view internal collaboration with the different teams I interact with. But this is a topic that we covered in a previous FastCast, and you can look at that at Apex IT Partner on YouTube. Now I'll notice here that I got a new email from Julian Anderson. Now Julian informed me about a new contact he wants me to include in his opportunity that we've been working together. I want to make sure I share this with CRM so that my sales team can get to know my new contact as well. Now if you notice at the top here, there's a share button, or kind of a share bar. So as the salesperson, I'm given the ability to choose when my Outlook syncs with the Oracle Sales Cloud. And this gives me control over the information that is shared and how often. Since I know that Michael is at Applied Micro, I'm going to add him to the account. So I'm going to key in APP, and the auto suggest feature fills in the company name, so save time by not having to do a search. And the same thing for the opportunity here, and this all saves me time. And as you can see, the bar at the top is still highlighted in orange, which means I know this information is being shared with both CRM and with Outlook. Now I've got the ability to click into Michael's company. Now I'd like to know more about this account as well, so this next view is a high-level 360-degree view of Applied Micro, which includes opportunities, appointments, leads, interactions, and in a format that's familiar with me. It's all Outlook. And this screen can be configured as well. So if you want opportunities and leads to be near the top and the top priority, then you can move them to the top. Now, since Julian's email is about a specific opportunity, the data center consolidation, I've clicked that here. And again, just by clicking the opportunity, I get a full description of the opportunity details, including products and revenues. Now, if I want to add a revenue line to this opportunity, I can do that from within Outlook. I'll pull up my product catalog to complete this task. That's right here. Now, Apex IT also performed a FastCast on the Oracle Sales Catalog, and that's also available at YouTube. For today's purposes, we just wanted to introduce you to those capabilities. Now, if an update needs to be made to this opportunity revenue, or maybe a new appointment needs to be made, etc., it can all be done from right here. So my next step here is to schedule our next meeting for Applied Micro because of this new revenue line item that was added. So because of the smart options available in the Sales Cloud, all the detailed information related to the opportunity were pre-populated, again saving me time as a rep in my day so I can focus on selling, not administrative. Now, once I schedule it, it'll be stamped in the Oracle Sales Cloud so that my account team and my manager can see it, and it'll also update my Outlook calendar. So this is a brief snapshot of the Oracle Sales Cloud desktop functionality, and this you can perform a lot of your tasks within email without ever having to log into your CRM. Now we're going to jump into something called Simplified UI. So as a sales rep, it's my job here to nurture opportunities and leads so that I can sell more to help my company grow more, and I can easily do that within the Oracle Sales Cloud here. So all the key information is at my fingertips, including customers, contacts, and opportunities. So what you'll notice right here from the simplified user interface perspective is that the information is organized very cleanly. I was able to start utilizing the Sales Cloud with basically no training. Now each area has a list of information details, and they're all just drilled down away. So I can see not only a corporate overview, such as contact information and a map, but I can see the overall opportunity pipeline and open leads associated with an account. And I can drill down to the information in more detail if needed. Now, all of my most current leads are automatically organized for me by rank and deal size. The rank is automatically assigned based on the most recent customer interest and marketing activity. This way, I know more details about the customer's interest in a product before I make any phone calls. So the Oracle Sales Cloud helps me know more about my customers so that I can sell more. Now, we're going to see a list of my open opportunities ranked by the probability of closing. Now I know more with Oracle Sales Cloud since I can easily see information about all my opportunities in one place, such as expected revenue, close date, and sales stage. I can search for a specific opportunity using the easy search function. Now, my meeting this afternoon about a green server upgrade opportunity, I'm going to take a quick peek at that. All right, and from the list, I can drill down to the opportunity or the customer. Now, the detail screen gives me some key information about this particular opportunity, including my key contact, the win probability, the expected revenue, the sales stage, and the products and services that they are planning on buying. I can also review the contacts and the opportunity team, tasks, and upcoming appointments from here. Now, the notes area of Oracle Sales Cloud helps our team members stay up to date with key information about this opportunity collected over time. Knowing more will help us all sell more. So with the visibility across the team, I can not only see the interactions that I've had with a customer, but those of my team members as well. This helps me know more about our business relationship, as well as get a good understanding of where we should be in the sales cycle. And I can see what events also took place during each interaction, as well as the outcome of the meetings and phone calls, etc. Now, the last thing I want to do before my meeting is use our internal collaboration tool, Oracle Social Network. And with the Oracle Social Network, I can see all of my open conversations, who updated it last, whether or not I have read any of the posts. And these conversations are directly tied to customers, opportunities, and other key areas. If there was any need for specific information or collaboration with my internal team regarding this opportunity, The details could be included in social conversation, allowing everyone on the sales team to collaborate in an effective and easy manner. We all know more through group collaboration in Oracle Social Network. Now with Oracle Sales Cloud, I can focus my time on leads and opportunities I know that are likely to close. I can also easily collaborate with team members so that we can effectively know more and sell more. Now we're going to switch gears to something called Mobalytics for Sales. So I use the Mobalytics app on the iPad to check my team's performance. So I'm going to look for email address and sign in, because I've got 6 different areas once I've signed in to look at some interactive reports about how my business and teams are operating and performing. But what I want to start out with today is checking the status of my team's quota with the Forecast Shaper. Now here I can see where I stand with my forecast and quota for the current quarter. I know it looks like a lot of confetti at a kid's party, but we're going to look at something here really important. I can see that I'm just short of my target goal of 50 million. Now each circle here represents an opportunity. We've got a lot of them, and the different colors represent the different teams in my hierarchy. So I can see the opportunities that are in the current quarter and the next quarter, as well as their win probability. Now the bar on the left shows how much my teams are contributing to the overall forecast. Opening the bar on the right, I can see which sales team each color is associated with. Now I'm going to filter down the opportunities and just look at Pat Johnson's forecast. Now I can see Pat here has an opportunity that is above 90% win probability for next quarter. And with a win rate of 90%, I want to see if we can close this during this quarter. Now the details of the opportunity are right at my fingertips right here. And I can see key details and the sales team. I can also see recent sales activity. And once I open this opportunity in Oracle Social Network, I can also get additional history. Now, I think we pull this deal into the current quarter based on this information. So I'm going to quick email Pat so we can start figuring out how we're going to accomplish this. So Mobalytics fills in some information for me, and since it's integrated with my device, I can easily send this email. Now, since I think we can close this deal this quarter, I'm going to move it across the line, or across the close line rather, and you can see that my quota is automatically updated. I can follow a similar process with other opportunities. So you can see here that Mobalytics automatically records the changes, and I have a complete record of the deals that I need to talk to my team about. Now that I've just adjusted my forecast, I want to review my pipeline. So the Pipeline Analyzer tool gives me an immediate summary of the revenue potential we have and at each stage. So I can easily scroll through all of the opportunities in a stage. Like Forecast Shaper, each opportunity is color-coded to reflect the opportunity owner. And on the right, I can filter my pipeline by region, team, product, size, or industry. So I'm going to filter my pipeline to view just financial services opportunities. Now I can see immediately that the pipeline for financial services is not really balanced. There are not enough new deals to drive through the pipeline. So I need to work with my marketing and sales teams to make sure we get more leads. And the Forecast Shaper and Pipeline Analyzer are just a few ways Mobalytics can help sales managers gain valuable insight into how their team is performing. So with Mobalytics, managers can know more about their team's performance and know exactly where they will focus the time to drive success. So as we recap, we wanted to focus on a couple of specifics about what we saw in our Sales Cloud demonstration today and why this will help you. Sales reps spend 78% of their time searching for information about an account or contact and only 22% of their time selling. Sales Cloud empowers sales reps with the answers they need, where and when, and in a simplified format. Are you the type of sales rep that wants a quick glance at what you've done with your customer or prospect within a few minutes of jumping into a specific meeting? Well, gain that information you need about a prospect in a simplified approach. And also, maximize the revenue potential by finding opportunities where you didn't think they existed, keeping you in front of your customer and always growing. So we hope that you enjoyed your glimpse of the Oracle Sales Cloud today. And here are a few additional dates of upcoming FastCasts where we'll hope you'll join us. And now for some Q&A. And I've got with me a solution consultant, and together we'll do our best to answer questions. And if we can't, we'll work with you offline to get those answers to you.